Just a quick video. It must be summer, right? Because I've got my silly t-shirt on. Look at that. Yeah, that's incredible. So summer's here. So we're all getting our mow on. I'm on my lawn, clay lawn disaster. Didn't do much to it this year, but it's getting older and older, more mature. And it's horrendous, to be honest, but we're going to fix it. Like, we're not going to terrorise it. Can't say that. We're not going to ruin it like we did last year. So that's just had a mow, and it looks fine across the canopy, doesn't it? But I'll take you over it because it needs some human intervention, because I'm not liking what nature is allowing it to do. So I need to get involved and get it fixed and do some patchwork. So I'm not going to do that today, but I'm just going to take you over it, and you can have a look. Okay, so this is my lawn, clay lawn disaster. The garden couldn't be any worse, if I'm honest, having a tough year. But if we look down this end, this never gets any sun, but I've still got some grass there. I've done a moss treatment. It's not too bad. Full clay lawn. I've not done anything to make the soil better. I will do, but that's the current state of play for me. So that's not looking too shabby. I mean, for a ryegrass, I've got a lot of grass in it, right? Awesome, so awesome. Get it right, Mike, eh? Also some power, lots of power. Some stress along the fence line, but I do have two little dash hounds. They love it along there. And this, and to top it off, my hot tub's gone flat. Disaster, need a new one of them. So I'll have to get on the old, need the old Munson burner. Might have to put the prices up this year. So yeah, I've done a mow, nothing fantastic. Massive undulation on the lawn and some serious lawn bump. But the sun is out and it's time to get on. So all systems go, get going, people. So there you go. I don't think it's too bad. I'm not stressed out of it. I'm not stressed about it. I can afford £1. I'll put a little bit of seed down, top dress it, because I've got a massive long bump, because it's a new build. Never attended to it, to be honest. So yeah, I've got, I think, on the whole of the YouTube channels, the worst shirt going. Let me know in the comments. That's a bad shirt, but it's Larry, right? So we like that. Yeah, so that is clay, oh, that sun, clay lawn disaster. Didn't do much to it. Left some leaves on it as well. Rather lazy in the winter. I suffer from feeling the cold, so yeah, I'll just give it a blow every now and then. Be careful what you listen to, guys. Choose what you want to do and pick bits of advice out of all the different channels and make your own mind up. So we'll see you soon. We've got lots of projects. We finished Nick's off yesterday, so today is Mother's Day, so we finished Nick's off yesterday, so we've got that video coming out in the week. Absolutely incredible, if I'm honest. I should treat my own lawn like that, really, but I never do. So my dad was a mechanic and he had the worst running car. It was hideous, really. So I suppose that's the same with lawn care, right? So from the other end, clay lawn disaster, ryegrass. Didn't do a lot to it, if I'm honest. Be careful of BS. More videos coming soon. Like and subscribe. Thank you to you all, because you pushed us over 1,000 subs, and we want to keep going with that, because my son does a lot of hard work on the editing. Obviously he's not editing this one, he told me not to, but look at that. Did nothing. A little bit down the end. I got £1. Let's crack on. I hope you all have a good long season. Take care.